Magic Kingdom today. We've got a couple things to do. The pumpkin milkshake at Auntie Gravity's, and we've got some fast passes. So let's go have some fun.
Is that the one?
You can buy Grandma's money, bro. So you got 28, haven't you? You got $1 in your hand, I'll let you have another $1. Yeah, got it.
We're going to get those for your Nick for her birthday.
And then she has them for herself, that's her money gone. Is that what you've broken on? You make a decision then. Cool decision. You have to get out. What were you doing with it?
Let's try it one more time. You think we could be try it one more time. Let's see if maybe we'll take some. Thank you. Look at the pumpkins.
Yeah, we'll get there exactly the same time.
I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready. Look. Yes. Look at all the red, yellow, and oranges. Oh, that's so cool. It's pretty Halloween-y up in here. Oh my gosh. We have come for the pumpkin milkshake. They also have the soft serve here, but I'm good with just the milkshake. Oh, here, I'm gonna. Yeah, that milkshake, that woo-wee. I'm excited.
What'd you get, Kate?
So pumpkin spice milkshake from Auntie Gravity's. It is melting really quickly.
Literally just got it a minute and a half ago. It's dripping.
It's so good though. Was it $7.99?
Yes.
And it had a third pumpkin candy on it, but it fell off already. So I'm just trying to suck it down enough so I can get in the cup, but...
Don't order it and walk around the park.
So good. Excuse me.
Donald.
She's doing Goofy right now. Donald. Mickey's faded. How fun. That's so cool. Ah, Disney magic. I see 50th merch. Barely. Kind of. That's really cool.
I don't know.
So it's the Disneyland's 50th, not our 50th, which makes sense. 34. Then they have a hat.
It's $24.99.
It's cool. I like the gold. And you have the hat box ghost.
This one is a unisex. And this one down here is ladies cut short.
Oh yeah, it's kind of got a V-neck situation.
All right.
It's really cool.
Here's the Doonies.
They're really pretty.
$2.28.
I like the gold. That's really pretty.
The black and gold is very pretty. This is what the lining looks
Purple.
like.
That's very fitting.
I'm gonna kind of go fast because I will zip it in a minute, but there's a lot of people in here, so I'm gonna go fast. Here's the barrel style. Very cute.
The inside's probably purple as well, I would
This
say.
one's $2.48.
Okay.
And then
And the tote.
And the tote. And the tote is $2.48 as well.
So then it's just the style that
This
you
one's
prefer.
locked on, I can't pull it off. But this is also purple.
And does it zip across the top? It does. Okay.
It does zip across the top.
You know, I like that.
And then there's some ears.
50th mug. $24.99. These are cool. These light up ears. You can see the hitchhiking ghosts. And my mom's shoe because there's a mirror.
There's my shoe. Don't look at my nail polish. Needs to be done. Look behind you.
First fast pass of the day. Y'all, it is crazy crowded here. My stomach hurts a little because I downed that pumpkin. It was so good. Oh, we gotta go around this crazy thing here. You may get wet. Usually they'd let you in early. If not, we'll. I think we're a little early. Is that okay? Thank you. Apparently. It's time to get some dinner. Dinner served. I got the cauliflower tacos with the yogurt sauce and pineapple, and a side of rice. Mom got a side of beans, and then the taco trio with chicken. And then I also got this really fun glow cube. Look at that thing.
So fun.
It's super cool. And it was all $38. Not too shabby. And then we're gonna go on Splash Mountain.
You can get wet.
You can get wet. Oh god. It's gonna be our fate here in a couple minutes. Look at these beautiful wildflowers though. Oh no, I'm not ready. Will you do mine?
Yeah.
I tried to be sly. I couldn't reach it.
Listen up. Green Squadron will return the power cells. Requested you concentrate on those robots. Rendezvous at Galactic City. Major starting area.